Figvers, how y'all growing your figs today? Fig kids number one, comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, merci beaucoup. Today's video is a very special video since, as you can see in front of me, is a gift that has been gifted to us by Dato Syed Elias. It is a super rare, super expensive F1 Red Lady Papaya fruit. So I'm going to state some of the special features before we zoom in. It's got elevated sections and sunken sections, 5 elevated sections and 5 sunken sections, so it looks star-shaped. It also can be grown to the size of a watermelon. But before we zoom in, quick explanation of what F1 means. This F1 Red Lady Papaya fruit is a hybrid, which means that it is the result of cross-pollination from 2 papaya plants chosen to find the best breed. And we get this beauty right here. So zoom in. F1 also means filial 1, which literally means first children. So as you can see, it's got a very distinct star shape, 5 elevated sections, 5 sunken sections. The lowest point on one of the sunken sections to the highest point on one of the elevated sections is about 4 centimeters in difference. So I'm going to cut this beauty. As you can see, if I stand this vertically, it's about the size of my head. It's probably wider than the size of my head. I'm going to cut this and show you guys the interior of this beautiful fruit. So I have cut a slice of the papaya. Look at the inside. It's vibrant. It's orangey, peachy, reddish. And it's so sweet. Jeez, it's so sweet. It's very syrupy and juicy as well. I'm going to cut the entire thing now.
And today here we cut the Red Lady Papaya.
Oh my god, that's huge. Look at this. The number of seeds. The seeds are so expensive. You don't normally find them at those random nurseries that you see in the road. This is huge. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Wow, it's so sweet. Okay, I'm going to de-skin one and do a taste test. Scooping the seeds. We want these seeds. So this is what one slice of this F1 Red Lady Papaya looks like, de-skinned. Wow, it's so juicy. This is good.